I have to ask you all sorry because in the channel start பண்ணும்போது I wanted to make sure that I provide the best of best content, be it in the form of shorts, be it in the form of videos, be it in the live. ஆனா students, இந்த ஜேர்னியில் பயாலஜி வந்து ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ராங்காக போகுது. ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ ஆர் லவ்விங் த கிளாஸஸ். வீடியோஸும் ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ ஆர் என்ஜாயிங். ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி வீடியோஸ் ஆகிருக்கட்டும், ஹவு டு கிளியர் பேக்லாஸ், எல்லா வீடியோவுமே யூ ஆர் ஆல் டேக்கிங் வித் லாட் ஆஃப் லவ். எல்லா ஷார்ட்ஸ் ஆல்சோ ஆர் எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம் குவாலிட்டி கண்டென்ட். பட் எவ்ரி சிங்கிள் டே அண்டர் எவ்ரி சிங்கிள் வீடியோ ஒரு கமெண்ட் கண்டிப்பாக இருக்கும். மேம், ஃபிசிக்ஸ் அண்ட் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி ஆல்சோ கேன் யூ ப்ளீஸ் ஹெல்ப் அஸ்? So from the time the channel reached 5,000, I have been searching for really good physics and chemistry teacher who have the same energy, who have the same zeal to make sure that you all get the best content. Because I told you, there was a reason to start this channel. I don't know how many of you have watched my initial videos, but the reason to start this channel was last time I went to an offline center in Chennai, and when I went there, I saw one girl crying in front of me. Her mother was not very financially well to do. She had a brother. Both of them were planning to prepare for NEET, and she cried in front of me telling that, ma'am, I tried, but no one told me or no one exactly guided me at every single step. Everyone makes 8-month strategy, 6-month strategy, but no one helped me when I wanted. So that was the reason I started this channel. And when I started this channel also, it was very difficult because I was starting it alone. I had confidence that I will be able to deliver the best content to all of you. But when it comes to subjects, physics has to be delivered by the best of best physics faculty. Chemistry has to be delivered by the best of best chemistry faculty. And in that search, students, I still could not find a set of teachers who had the same zeal, same energy, quality of content, detailed lectures, and the search is still continuing. So I came to ask you all sorry because I could not ignore any of your comments. But sorry doesn't mean that it is the end of this journey. I have plans, and I have also decided to not stop the hunt until I find the right physics teacher and chemistry teacher for all of you. I'm not going to stop this entire journey of interviewing teachers, talking to teachers, interacting with them, knowing their likes and dislikes, and this will continue because I know what my students want, and I have given as much as possible to all the 8,000 students in this channel. And you people have promised me that, ma'am, we will make this channel 10K and we want a physics and chemistry teacher. So till that, the search is going to continue, and I hope 10K is not very far. We will be able to reach it so that during this journey, I will also be able to find the best of best faculties. Now students, many of you gave me many suggestions, many teachers who are part of Vedantu, and I feel like I should also ask them as well once if they will also be able to contribute, because every single teacher in Vedantu thinks only of one thing: students' welfare, students' improvement. See students, when we start, we already have multiple channels. You already know that we also had a NEET channel. But this channel had mainly a purpose for every single comment that I get, every single messages that I get, or knowingly and unknowingly, I make videos that students actually go through or students actually struggle in their entire period. And even if it is one comment of one student telling that, ma'am, I'm struggling, I definitely make a solution for it. That is the goal of this video, goal of this channel. It is not just to provide you content, but it is also to guide you in every single step when you feel demotivated, when you feel like you're failing, when you feel like you're a loser, when you feel like you cannot crack this exam because you are an average student. This channel was made to make all of you from average to a topper, all of you to go from demotivated to motivated, all of you to go from loser to a feeling of a winner. This channel is for that. I don't know how many of you will watch this video till the end. I don't know how many of you will even listen to this story. But I came here to inform all of you that, students, when I bring in the teachers for physics and chemistry, you will see that they are the best in Tamil Nadu. And for that, it might take us some more time. but it won't be too late. I promise you this. And promise me back that it won't be too late to make the first milestone on this channel, 10,000 subscribers. Because when I bring in teachers, they should also have the energy. They should also feel like this channel, 10,000 students are watching every single day. And many other students also who have not subscribed also are watching this channel, and I need to give the best of best content. So we are very sorry that we are still finding the teachers, but the energy, the fire to find the best of best is never ending. But I wanted to come here and tell all of you, because every single day, every single video, one comment is there. Because you know that I have done physics strategies for you, chemistry strategies for you. I even told you how to read NCERT. So you people are all happy that ma'am is making content for other subjects. But when it comes to teaching, we want a teacher as equal, ma'am, who is really best in best of their subjects, who can help us crack NEET, because I am a very average, lower middle class person. I cannot afford another coaching. I cannot afford a batch. Please help me through YouTube. Ma'am, please help us. If many of you have told this to me, and that is the reason why we have brought this channel up, and it goes through a lot of ups and downs, students. It is never easy. It's never easy for one teacher to continuously motivate you, continuously push you. And if I'm doing that, you should understand the amount of commitment and love that I have for all of you. If that day, that girl in front of me, she had tears, and from that day I had decided that if a NEET student is there who is facing a problem, and if in any ways I can help them, I should help them. Because parents are helpless. I could see that her mother was blank. Her mother didn't know anything. Her mother didn't know what was happening. Her mother was not able to even understand. But the mother had one thing in her eyes, the spark, the hope that both my son and daughter is going to come out as, doctors, and I will be able to get the value that I did not get for so long. And students, knowing that, I really wanted to do something, and that is what is We Need Tamil Nadu for all of you. So if you have stayed so long, trust me, the wait is not too far. And I hope you will also not let me wait for too long. You will also make this channel big. Show me the exact love that I am showing to you, the exact commitment that I have for you. So it becomes a very mutual understanding. So students, until we find the best physics and chemistry teacher, we will not be bringing them on the channel. But I give you a promise that it is not going to be too late. It is not going to be too late. They are going to complete your syllabus on time. We are going to give you PYQ practice. We are going to do every single thing that is required for you. There will be no sacrifices. There will be no discounts in your content, in your syllabus. We will never do that. Trust me on this. This is a word that I'm giving you with so much confidence, because I'm so sure that whomever I'm bringing on the channel, they will have the same amount of dedication that you people are showing to me and I'm showing to you people. So students, once again, we are very sorry, but it will never be too late. And you will see the miracles when your teachers come in. So yes, if you stayed so far, then do not forget to just smash the like button and also subscribe, so that we can grow and we can help a lot of people out there, lot of students around every single place. Thank you, students.